All right, everybody, welcome in. It's March 7th, Monday afternoon, 2022. I don't do politics or that sort of thing on this channel. This is definitely going to be one of those days, a rant video, and it's on every single Facebook post and Instagram post and social media about gas prices. So we all know everything that's going on in the world today. I didn't come here to talk about that. There's a war in Ukraine with Russia, invading. There's all this sort of stuff going on. We're coming up to spring break when prices generally at the gas pump go up anyways. Anytime there's a holiday or summer, more people are traveling, they make more money on the gas. Supply goes up, or demand goes up, and the whole routine. So here's the thing. I've seen a lot of people, and I actually witnessed it today here in Florida. Yesterday, or last week, you paid $3.50 a gallon for regular gas, and then yesterday it was $3.75 a gallon or $3.80 a gallon, gone up 30 cents in a week, and then all of a sudden you drive past it at 8 o'clock to go to work, and it's $3.80, and you come home at, 8 hours later or 4 hours later from the stores, and it's $4.09. It's gone up 39 cents in a matter of hours, right? Or even in a matter of minutes. Some people saw it going up while they were pumping gas, like at the gas station. So this affects businesses. This affects you going to work. This affects small businesses, people who are delivering your packages, Amazon, USPS, you name it. All of this is being hurt. Shipping to get your inventory. These gas prices affect all of that. So don't blame a lot of these companies for that. It's just what they have to do. There's nothing we can do about it, right? But here's my biggest gripe and my biggest problem, and I hope that this makes this video go viral because it is absolutely 100%, 1000% a fact. Gas prices do not go up 39 cents in 4 hours because there is a war in Russia. They did go up because there's a war in Russia, and there's a lot of problems with our pipelines and Russian imports of oil, crude oil, and price per barrel mostly is set the morning of or the night before. Gas prices that you pay today are not based on somebody waking up and saying it's $4 today. That price was determined days ago, weeks ago, when the price went up and the cost to import it and the tax and the war and the supply went down and all that sort of stuff. So when you go to a gas station and it's $3.75 a gallon at 8 a.m. and you come back past there a couple hours later and it's $4.07 a gallon or $4.09 a gallon, that is price gouging. The gas stations are price gouging Americans right now. It did not change 30, 40 cents in a matter of hours. Absolutely, positively did not happen. BS. If you think I'm kidding, find me the link, put it down below. It doesn't exist. And anyone who's putting up links on the internet and on websites saying otherwise is wrong. They are taking advantage of this situation. Yes, gas prices are up for legitimate reasons. They are not, what I'm not saying is, they are not changing places to 30, 40, 50 cents higher in the matter of minutes or hours. The gas stations and the providers and the companies are taking advantage of a situation. I say this about a lot of stuff. Yes, there are reasons that things happen, but they're not happening as they would like you to believe they're happening. Nothing changed between breakfast and lunch to cause the gas prices to go up 40 cents a gallon. Because if we think about an average car with a 15-gallon tank, is that whatever? I don't know how big everyone's gas tank is. But if it went up a 40-cent difference, it's a $6 difference, $8 difference. Most people are paying $10 more to fill up their car than they did a week ago or 2 weeks ago. And $15 than they did a month ago. Well, if you times that by the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of customers rolling through that gas station every day and an extra $10, well, every 100 customers is an extra $1,000. 200 customers is $2,000 for the day in just gas sales. So when you hear the news saying gas prices are through the roof, blah, blah, that is true. But when these gas pumps are changing at that rapid rate, it is absolutely a crime. It is price gouging, and we should all be reporting it. And please make this video go viral because people need to realize that we have to put an end to that, or we're just going to keep getting taken advantage of. So gas prices didn't change in the matter of minutes. The gas station changed them to be greedy and take advantage of you. Yes, the prices went up from what they normally were. No, they didn't happen that quickly. So that's my video for today. That's my rant. I hate greedy people. Thankfully, I work at home. I don't have to pay for all that stuff. And my car's electric if I want to turn it into electric mode instead of gas mode. Unfortunately, our SUV is not, so we do use gas in that. But that's it, guys. That's the truth. The gas prices aren't changing that quickly. The gas stations are changing it on you. So yell at them. Tell them. Call them out on their BS. Whatever you got to do. They're full of it.